let's get advice. Let's talk to people. Let's get what other people think. Now, don't be asking everybody and their brother, because everybody and their brother will have an opinion, but that doesn't mean they're right. Hello, Libra. This is Don from Sonora Mystic Tarot, and this is your weekly financial and investment advising via tarot and the universe. Let's see what the spirits have in store for you. Let's take that one because it wanted to pop out of there. This is your first card out. It is a 9 of Wands. That second card out is an Ace of Wands. Third card out, a 5 of Cups. And that fourth card out is the 3 of Pentacles. On the side here, we have the bottom of the deck, which is that card there. The 7 of Wands. That's the energy. Your energy around you is conflicting. You're going to have conflicting parties, conflicting messages, conflicting. So on this day, on this week, make sure that you focus on not the conflict and not the conflicting energies. Focus on what you need to do to get things done, because you're almost you're almost finding the end of the road for something you've been working on. Okay, this is a 9 of Wands. That's that success. You're almost there. You've almost got it figured out. So if you've been going through an analysis, figuring how can I get back in the market, or you're in the market and then you're going to see the stocks, whatever. Whatever you've been looking at doing, if you were looking for a job, if you're looking for something else, again, this is Wands energy. So it's all about money and jobs. And so I wouldn't be surprised. But again, if you're looking for an investment, if you're looking for whatever it is, it's coming. It's coming. And there's that new energy. So by the week's end, don't be surprised if that newness arrives. Again, ignore this energy. This energy here could be distracting, and it could take you off of your path and off of your focus. So please ignore it. It's not important. Okay. Over here, we have the 5 of Cups. The 5 of Cups is telling me that it's interesting. As you're working toward this, and as it starts coming into vision, you start getting some panic energy. You're getting negative energy. You're worried. Oh my gosh, what if? Stop the what ifs. Stop them. It's not important. Okay, we're not doing the what ifs. Okay, the reality is that we are going. If we get to that point, we're going to, no matter what, when we start doing the what ifs, let's get advice. Let's talk to people. Let's get what other people think. Now, don't be asking everybody and their brother, because everybody and their brother will have an opinion, but that doesn't mean they're right. Ask people who know what they're doing. Talk to people who know what they're doing. You know what you want. So talk to people to get what it is you need to know. The Queen of Cups is down here. So she says, yeah, you've worked on this for a while. So the patience is paying off. A little more patience, she's telling you, but soon enough, you're going to see the benefit there. And then once it does, it's going to give you 2 options. So again, be prepared for 2 options. Do we take this course? And again, that's going to be altered, could be altered by the fact that we get into this negative energy in our heads. Oh my gosh, I can't, I shouldn't, I wouldn't. And we wind up letting that take advantage. But the reality is that we're given 2 choices. Let's take the one that is most reasonable and logical. And when that happens, we're asking advice on which way that should go. When it happens and we choose the right thing, the Page of Cups comes in and says, yes, you did. You chose the right thing. And yes, you're going to see the benefit from it. And then there's a 7. It's interesting because as this starts to make sense and as this gels, all of a sudden, so many more options pop up. Because you've now put this option to bed, because you finally got this clarified, all of a sudden now so many more opportunities arise, maybe even because you had the success with the one. It could be through connections, because you met the right person who gave you the right idea, and then that right idea led you to another deal and another deal or another deal. It could be somebody who led you to another stock and then another stock and another stock, or another way to invest. Again, whatever it is, it's going to open up new lanes for you and you're going to feel overwhelmed. Finally, you will rest because, again, you've had the success you're looking for, and you have to remember that you made that success. So as you make that success, continue doing what it is that you figured out. Because now that you made it and you're comfortable with what's happening, now you can pave that way forward for even more success on your behalf. And that is wonderful. And this aligns with your path. So you should be very happy. But look at that. This is a new beginning, a new energy cycle. So jump in. Let's have some opportunities flow your way. Take advantage of that opportunity and then use that to build upon, because there'll be more opportunities come that same way because of what you had learned. No wasting time here. You've grown a lot. Now let's live it. Have a great one. We'll talk later. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and follow buttons and help me grow my channel. I would appreciate it. I'm the only guy on the net doing this. And then when I say this is financial investment tarot. Folks need to hear this. They really do in this time and age. So help me grow my channel. Help them to learn. I'd appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe, and follow, as I said. And then, of course, love, light, and blessings for me and my family here at Sonora Mystic Tarot. To you and yours. Bye-bye.